My name is Paul Schmidt. For me, it's securing my retirement, but it's also I enjoy this. I can sit there and look at trends all day long. I've always been a buy and hold strategy, and I knew there was more to it than just buy it and sit there and look at it. That's also part of what got me here. There's more to it than just to sit there and look at your money grow like watching the paint dry. This is more aggressive. TradeMaster Lab was a little bit more advanced than I thought, but it really put me on track. That's what got me here. It spurred my interest to a level that I didn't think I was capable of. So far, I really like it. I'm one of those people, I've done my homework from the TradeMasters Lab, so I came in able to keep up with what we're talking about so far. As far as the analysis, reading trends, identifying different patterns, I'm already up on all that. So it's progressing at exactly the speed that works for me. Oh man, the resource line has been incredible. In fact, I met 3 of them today, and it was an absolute pleasure. One of them, I talked to him a number of times. We got to talking a little bit, and he said, "Oh, you're the guy with the Apple stock." I said, "Yeah, that's me." I called a couple of times. He said, "Yeah." I said, "How's it going?" So we just immediately got related, so to speak. The resource line is fantastic. They walk you through it. They double check to make sure everything is right, and they're very proactive in call me back, let me know how it goes. Walking in here adds a lot of credibility. This place is really, really nice, and the people that are speaking, every one of them, you think, well, it won't get any better than Cameron, and the next guy comes up, and it won't get any better than him, and then they just keep raising the bar as far as the speakers go. Very, very impressed.